Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, this afternoon I want to ask you something question. Jadi saya ingin menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan. What is your name?
My name is Dimas.
Okay. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have.
How many brothers do you have?
I have three brother.
What is his name?
His name is Dimas.
Yeah. How old is he?
He is 17 years old.
Okay. Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
What is her name?
Her name is Ika.
Okay. How old is she?
She is 15 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nuraini.
How old is she?
She is 52 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is housewife.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Sayogo.
How old is he?
He is 53 years old.
Okay. What is your father's job?
My father's job is business.
Okay. How many person are at your home?
About 5 person.
Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my sister, and my brother.
Okay. Do you have a grandfather?
Yes, I have.
Do you have grandmother?
Yes, I have.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome, sir.